I'm going to show you how I like to play James Bay's Let It Go. The song has two guitars, and I'm going to show you something that sounds like both at the same time. It sounds like this. So I've got the capo up on fret 6, and we're playing in G shapes. So the first chord, you got a G, which your second finger is going to go on the 3rd fret on the E string, and then your ring finger is going to be on the high E string, same fret, the 3rd fret. And then the first thing you're going to do, you're going to pluck the low E with your thumb, and then your middle finger will be on the B string, and you'll hammer on with your first finger onto the 1st fret, and you'll do those at the same time. That's your first move. So, and then you're gonna do ring finger on the high E. So then you're gonna alternate going between your ring finger and your middle finger. So that's the first chord. So then we're going to jump to a C chord, and this is a different version than this version. So it's a 10th chord. You're going to have your first finger on this 3rd fret of the A string, and then your pinky up on the 5th fret of the B string. And you could do your 3rd finger too, but I like to do my pinky. And then your thumb is going to move down to the A string, and your middle finger will be on the B string, and your first finger on the G string. So you'll do those at the same time, the thumb and the middle finger. So from that chord to the next, from the first chord to the next. Okay, and then you'll do index, middle, index, and kind of walk up. So a whole step with your pinky, and then up a half step with your pinky. So from the C, from the beginning again. Okay, and then we're gonna leave our pinky here, and we'll do an E minor 10th chord. So your first finger is gonna come in on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's hard to tell with the capo. So on the 7th fret or the actual 13th fret, just above the double dots, and you'll pluck the A string and the middle finger, the B string, at the same time. So from the walk up to that chord, and then you'll just do an open with the middle finger on the B string. So, and then you'll land on a D chord, your regular D chord. And so your thumb will go up to the D string, and your middle finger will stay on the B string, and you'll pluck with your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. So from the beginning. Okay, and then the ending, you do index, middle, you're going to drop down to the 1st fret with your 1st finger on the B string. So from that, and then it repeats. So walking up, E minor to a D, one more time, walking up, D. Thanks for watching. To get notified when new videos are posted, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get set up with private lessons, go to soundstudies.co for more info. Thanks again.